episode of web series on Foetron Cloud Academy. In our series, our key focus is to enable you to learn more on latest business and technology trends. Today I am hosting Kallol Roy. He has more than 22 years of experience in global companies such as Deere, Suzlon and Escorts. He is now playing a key role in building the cloud and services business at Foetron. So let's get started.
Hi, I am Kallol Roy. I am having several years of experience in the field of manufacturing industry, precisely automobile. During my journey in automobile industry, I have come across with many challenges and faced different scenarios where design and document control was the key and had to play a major role for business operation. Now my ask is how cloud and Microsoft can solve these issues. Coming to the scenarios one by one. First one is related to design reviews. The company in concern is a joint venture between an engineering conglomerate from India and the other one is a Fortune 500 company from US. And the product is tractor, which is having a sub-assembly of engine, transmission and chassis. Now the challenges is the design centers are in the different part of the world. Transmission is in Germany, chassis is in Waterloo, USA and engine is in Chicago, USA, whereas the factory is in India. And obviously all the design reviews and implementation of the design changes has to be taken place in India only. The reviews and changes are mainly taken place because of indigenization, cost reduction, incorporation, user feedback, manufacturing process improvement. Now the printing and circulation of the drawings and its revision calls for a huge investment of time and resources. It also brings in circulation of hard copies which are prone to leakage, and in a joint venture ecosystem this is real threat for the JV partner who is the custodian of the drawing and its revision. Now I am coming to scenario 2. This is about a company which are in the field of construction equipment and the products are basically pick and carry cranes, front end loader, etc. In such type of products 95% of the components are BOP, that is bought out parts, and very few key components are made in-house. And if you have the position of these drawings, key drawings rather, you are in a position to make the final product. Now as there was no proper document control in place, the drawings are being lifted by one of the senior management official who has the access of these key drawings. Eventually, he ended up setting up his own company of similar products and become a competition. Now, the irony is the new company set up by the senior management official enjoys maximum market share and is much more than the market share of the company from where the drawings are being stolen. Now, I am coming to another scenario of similar type. One tractor company who currently one of the market leader in the industry, the foundation of that company being built with the whole sets of drawing being lifted from an established company where there was almost no drawing control. Now the scenario is that the established company has gone to dog as they could not match up with the competition of the new company. Thank you. Now tell me, in such kind of situation, what security Microsoft can provide so that designs are not being stolen. The drawing reviews can take place from a multi-locational design centers, multi-locational factories and multi-office situation.